Hi, and welcome to the SSH configuration demo. Kali comes with default SSH keys. Before starting to use the SSH on Kali, it is a good idea to disable the default keys and generate a unique key set for use. Let's see the process of moving the original keys and generating the new key set. First, open your console. Now change the directory to the SSH folder. Next, you have to create a backup folder. Now, we need to move the SSH keys to that backup folder. And finally, we need to generate the new key set. If you want to start SSH from command line, use the following command. After starting SSH, if you want to verify that the service is running, perform a netstat query. As we can see, the SSH daemon is listening on port 22. Now to stop SSH, use the following command.